Hey there, friends. Thank you for tuning into another episode of our product review series. Today, I am excited to introduce you to an absolute game changer in the world of home organization, the Jeans Organization Storage Box Closet Organizer Clothing Organization System Drawer Organizers Cabinet Pants Storage Organizer. Yes, that's a mouthful, but trust me, this product is worth every syllable. Let's face it, keeping our closets and drawers organized can be a real challenge. And when it comes to jeans, things can get especially messy. That's where this incredible storage solution comes in. With the Jeans Organization Storage Box, you can say goodbye to cluttered drawers and tangled piles of denim. This organizer allows you to neatly and efficiently store your jeans, making it easy to find the perfect pair for any occasion. But wait, there's more. This organizer isn't just for jeans. It's a versatile system that can be used for a variety of clothing items. Whether you need to streamline your t-shirt collection or keep your dress pants wrinkle-free, this organizer has got you covered. Plus, it's easy to install and fits seamlessly into most closets and drawers. I know what you're thinking, how can a storage box be so life-changing? Well, let me tell you, the secret lies in its simple yet effective design. By keeping your clothing neatly organized, you'll save time getting ready in the morning and can avoid that dreaded feeling of not being able to find the perfect outfit. Plus, a tidy closet can do wonders for your mental well-being. It's amazing how such a small change can make such a big difference in your daily routine. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a more organized and stress-free life? I encourage you to click the link in the description below and get your hands on the Jeans Organization Storage Box Closet Organizer Clothing Organization System Drawer Organizers Cabinet Pants Storage Organizer. Trust me, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing products and tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to a more organized future.